So this is the part 2 in the video series on how to grow on Instagram tips and tricks. Hi guys, I am Akansha Sehgal and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen the part 1, I'll be putting a link here. Don't forget to watch that video to see the first 5 tips and to see the rest of the 5 tips. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Sixth point is post regularly. Now when you're posting regularly, that helps you in keeping in touch with your audience frequently. So for example, if you're posting now and then you're posting the next post after a week or a 2 week, that will disconnect you from your audience and also reduce your reach among prospective customers also. So make sure that you are posting at least one post daily to stay active and within the reach of a lot of people. The 7th point is don't be too salesy. Now what I mean by this is that always do not make it about sales. Sometimes try and maybe engage your audience through telling them who you are as a person. Other stuff that can help your audience build and grow, like maybe as a crafter I can go for DIYs and everything. And also there are a lot of features in stories like polls, questions, which can help you in connecting with your followers and not always going for sales, because when you're always about sales, sometimes people feel disconnected. So be a little less salesy and more of engaging with your audience. Point is scheduling is the key. So when I say that you should be consistently posting, and also there is a point of analytics here. So Instagram analytics can help you in understanding when your audience is the most active, and you can then schedule your posts accordingly, that my audience is active around 6 p.m. so I'll post around 6 p.m. or my audience is more active around 12 noon, so I'll post accordingly. So schedule your posts. Also there are a lot of apps out there which can help you schedule posts for a week, for a month and everything. Use those because that will reduce your burden of daily working on your posts and daily maintaining that scheduling. 9th point is keep analyzing. Now analytics comes here. So Instagram analytics helps you in understanding which posts are giving you better engagement, which posts are reaching more audience. So make sure that you use analytics to the best and keep on analyzing that which posts are giving you better reach as compared to others, and keep on working on those posts. Post similar posts more often, and the posts that are not working, try and find alternatives for that and see what is working for you and what is not working. The 10th and the last point is about the paid promotions. Now, when all of these were just organic stuff, if you want to invest in something, my personal suggestion is that do not go for those fake follower apps, or the people who say that they will provide followers and everything. They may, but that is not that much organic. And also many a times, this is for the apps that I would like to say, that many a times you do get fake followers. You get followers at a very fast speed, but those followers leave your page at that speed only after a certain point of time. So if you want to actually invest in promotions, you can go for paid Instagram ads, or you can collaborate with influencers or bloggers or any person like you feel that can give you that reach. Okay, so contact those people. And also what you can do is you can conduct contests or giveaways for your audience. That also helps in bringing more organic reach to your page. So if you really want to invest, go for these kind of stuff, and do not invest in buying fake followers or just followers, because those followers may not be even interested in your stuff, so they will sooner or later leave your page. So it's better that you invest in certain relevant things rather than these stuff. So this was it for today's video. Make sure you see the part 1 also if you haven't done it yet. I'll be putting the link in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more such content in the future. And don't forget to like, comment and share this video to show your love. Thank you for watching. Bye.